Yo, what's going on with gang? On this video gonna be looking into GBPJPY and GBPUSD. Alright, but first we're gonna be starting with GBPJPY. Alright, so you know what we always do, guys. We head to the daily time frame or weekly time frame so that we can identify the overall trend or the overall structure of the market. Alright, so let's just go to daily time frame. Alright, so we're on daily. Still we're not seeing the whole picture, so let's go to weekly and see what's going on. Alright, so you can see that overall structure, the market for the GBPJPY has been moving to the sideways, though we have that highest price, like the highest high that we ever had, but still overall the market has been moving to the sideways, so not seeing so much. Alright, so but currently you see we have this kind of trend right up here. So already we have an idea, since we have identified the trend, we have an idea of how the market might play out. Alright, so right now what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna put up our levels and put up the trend lines and see what's popping. Let's get into it. Okay, so like we have identified that we are on a smaller uptrend. Alright, so meaning already we have an idea that we are looking for the bullish market. Alright, so whatever we do, gonna be on the lookout for the bullish structures. Alright, and you can see that lately right here we've been having like a bit of a sideways trend. Alright, and what we had an uptrend, sideways trend, so it might give us a decline, but because overall we saw the structures go moving to the sideways. Alright, so and we are still under this trend line. Alright, so meaning this sideways movement is not a panic moment. Alright, so meaning it's just the market trying to collect enough momentum to keep on going up. Alright, so let's see what we have right here. Alright, see this structure right here. Let's go to 4 hour. Alright, so remember us, the no-brainers traders, we trade structures. Alright, so what we're gonna do is that you see we have a double bottom here. Alright, and then remember, as the no-brainer structure, when we find a double bottom, what we do, we cut it in half and we try to find where it kind of began. Alright, so this is where we think it began. Alright, from that biggest drop, this large candlestick that dropped, that's when our movement began. Alright, so just gonna do that, and then what we do, we clone it, just clone it and we put it. Alright, so this is what we anticipate the market's gonna be doing. Alright, remember, it's a no-brainer. Alright, so let's put a horizontal right here. Alright, so our anticipation is that the market's gonna end here. Why? Let me show you. See, this down bottom structure gives us a W shape. Alright, if it completes, it's going to give us a W shape. Alright, and it only makes sense for the market to go there. And you see what happened when it dropped from here. What did it do? It went crazy. So meaning even now on the right hand side, when it's gonna go up, it's gonna go as crazy as it dropped, because that's how the no-brainer strategy works. Alright, but there is a chance, because you see here we have so much activity going on, there is a chance that the market is going to give us a kind of decline, remember. Alright, so from here the market might do what? Might give us a decline and make a structure a triple bottom, but that doesn't matter. It doesn't matter really, because at the end of the day, you know that the market is going to end up going towards that direction. Alright, so all you have to do, find your perfect entry, enter, and kill the market. Alright, so this is a possible move. Alright, this decline is a very possible move. Be on the lookout for it. Alright, you need to be on the lookout for that decline that's gonna retest this level down here. Alright, so but overall, this is what we think is gonna happen in the market, because we are still under an uptrend, remember. So our chance, we have a very high chance for the market to go to the upside. Alright, so be on the lookout, man. So this is how we analyze GBPJPY, man. Alright, so now let's move to GBPUSD. And guys, if you are learning something from these videos, you find value in them, please give us a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel. So let's move to the GBPUSD. All right, so this is GBPUSD now. All right, even on GBPUSD we do the same thing that we did from GBPJPY. All right, so head to a day time frame or weekly to find an overview of how the market has been playing out. All right, we identify your trend and what's on and put up your levels. All right, so that's what we're seeing from GBPUSD. All right, we can go to a weekly time frame. All right, so remember what we do, guys. We trap the running price. That's the main deal, trapping the main price. All right, so let's put up our levels. Okay, as you can see that this trend here, we kind of forced it. All right, but it's cool, still accurate, but we kind of forced it. All right, so let's see what we have here. As you could tell that the market is trying to switch to change directions and go to the upside. All right, but it's having a bit of a resistance up here. All right, so let's just put a zone here. All right, so I mean this is a very resistant zone. All right, so let's go to 4 hour and see what's popping. So overall, still looking for the bullish market. All right, still looking for the bullish market, but we have to also mind this resistance level here. All right, because they're very powerful. It might result in the market declining for a while before it even breaks it. All right, but if the market will decline and reach here, next time when it goes up, it's only gonna break. It's never gonna respect this. It's just gonna break like crazy, like this. Let's say for instance for this coming week the market's gonna decline, or maybe keep on declining, but then from somehow it gets that volume, it's gonna break. It's not gonna respect this. It's just gonna break like crazy. You'll wonder what's happening with the market. Then maybe come back and retest and shoot to the upside. Because remember, this coming week is NFP. A lot might go on. All right, but this is what we have. All right, have this kind of structure, and it's not showing much of a decline. Still showing like it might be choppy for a while, move to the sideways, or you might just move to the upside with this ugly move. All right, this is not an ideal move, but the market might just decide to take it. All right, but remember guys, trade what you know. What you don't know, you don't trade, guys. You just observe and study. All right, so for the GBPUSD, we are not seeing much going on it, honestly. Like it's gonna decline maybe. Right, can put a horizontal ray somewhere here. All right, if it declines, it might decline up until there. All right, but eventually we are looking to break structure to the upside. That's what we are looking for. All right, so guys, if you learn anything from this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, subscribe to the channel. All right, peace.